5 drastic reasons to quit for success. Day 1. Quit procrastination. Human beings tend to put things off like menial tasks and chores. The easiest way to handle any task is to tackle it right away without hesitation. Day 2. Quit tardiness. Problems are caused any time is wasted when people are habitually tardy. In fact, one meeting that stands late could cause numerous other effects in that day to be delayed, often for many people as a chain reaction. Day 3. Quit criticism. Abraham Lincoln once said, "Avoid criticizing others, for they are what you would be under similar circumstances." Very little is accomplished by being overly critical of people, especially if you have obvious faults of your own. Day 4. Quit neglect. Neglect comes in many forms of personal possessions, career obligations, health, loved ones, friendships, etc. Neglect will cause deterioration of all things. Day 5. Quit overindulgence. Almost anything is acceptable if done in moderation. However, overeating, oversleeping, overdrinking, etc. can rapidly deplete health and happiness. I love reading to you and telling stories because for me, they can bring an idea to life. Take action now. If you're ready to increase your income, work from home, pay off all your bills, travel, and provide for more you and your family, click the image below into the email and watch the whole video as our friend Adam explains the formula. Your family deserves it. If I can do it, so can you. This is Vince Pangori.